So guys, please don't click the links. Oh my gosh. Did I just click it?
Oh no!
What's poppin' everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Dani, and if you love sneakers and streetwear, then this channel is for you, so make sure to subscribe. So for today's video, if you've been following me on my Instagram page at streetbydani, nakita nyo siguro yung aking Instagram story where I reacted to an email that I got from a certain brand asking me to collaborate with them. Yo guys! Is this for real? Because if it is, hindi ko na alam guys. Oh my God! Sobrang nagulat ako cause this brand has been my dream bata pa lang ako na makakolab ko sila. And for this video, I will be showing you if it is a scam or if it's real. So now, let's start with some digging. So before I start the investigating, I will have a mini mukbang. And my meal today is sponsored by my Beyond the Hype family. Thank you so much, guys. If you haven't seen our second episode of Beyond the Hype, I will link it up in the cards. We had a local streetwear brand challenge. And kung sino ang pinakamaraming votes sa fits nila will win a Jollibee meal from Beyond the Hype. So, thank you so much sa mga nag-vote sa akin. And I will be showing you now kung ano yung kakainin ko sa mukbang. So, BTH fam, alam ko yung pinag-usapan natin was Jollibee, diba? Pero syempre,
Smooth like butter.
I bought the BTS meal from McDo. Kasi, alam niyo na, army ako. Thank you talaga, guys. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for my BTS meal. So, I will show you ano ang included sa BTS meal. So, first, we have fries. As you can see, bawas na, guys. Kumain na kasi yung sister ko. We also have 2 new sauces for the nuggets. Cajun and sweet chili na sauce. And also, the 10-piece nuggets. Woo! And some ketchup para sa mga OG sauce. I'm not destroying it, guys. Don't worry. I'm folding it para kung sakali I can make it. Baka pwede ko ilagay sa shoes. Malay natin, diba? So there. I will place it aside na para hindi masira. So, this is the BTS meal. Smooth like butter. Ay. Kita nyo ba? Sorry. Yan. The vlogger. Has that parang western sauce na taste. I kinda dig it. So now I'll be showing you the email that I got na yung pinakita ko sa IG story ko. So this is the email. It is from Nike. Subject ng email nakalagay is Nike offer sponsorship collaboration. The email is no reply at nike.com via cc.in. Diyan pa lang, naisip ko ng kinda sketchy na bakit parang galing pa siya from that. And then, this is the email. Nakalagay is, join in the new integration. Hello, we are from the PR department of the Nike. The Nike. Diyan, that's another red flag for me kasi sana sinabi na lang nila is, we are from the PR department of Nike. Not the Nike, diba? And then, nakalagay is, we are contacting you to promote a new summer collection of clothing from our company. Tapos may picture sila nung sneaker over here. And then, just do it. Check out the Nike Summer Collection catalog. Select a few products that you like and tell us about them in the integration. Nakalagay rin dito sa payment is, for this project, we set a fixed integration fee of $1,500. After creating the video, before publishing it, send the integration to our email for verification and approval with the project management. We try to respond as quickly as possible to each partner. Tapos nakalagay dito is, contact us, annajones@nike.com. I didn't click the link, guys, kasi nung unang tingin ko pa lang, it was kind of sketchy. Pero syempre, nung nag-record ako ng IG story, sobrang nagulat ako. So, nag-story ako kaagad. When I checked the email na talaga, na doon ko naisip na parang it's kind of sketchy, parang scam siya. So, be careful, guys, when you get emails from brands tas gusto ng collaboration, be careful na pag-open ng mga links. Once you click the link, doon na siguro nila ma-hack yung computer mo or yung email mo. In fairness naman dito sa nag-email sa akin, itong si Anna Jones, in fairness naman, nung sinearch ko siya, she really works at Nike. I tried to contact her just to give her a heads up dahil ito nga there's emails tapos ginagamit nila yung kanya email pero hindi pa siya nag-reply sa akin. So there, and nakalagay dito is download catalog tas password for activate is Nike promo. So a lot of red flags. So ang ginawa ko, syempre, nag-stalk ako. Nagpunta ako ng Facebook, tapos nag-search ako ng mga Nike email scam, yung mga nilagay ko. Tapos, may nakita akong girl, here in the Philippines as well, who posted a screenshot of an email that she got. Tapos pagkita ko, I'll show you guys. Ayan, see? That is exactly the email that I got also. Yung naka-join in the new integration, we are from the PR department of the Nike, ganun. So, syempre, ang ginawa ko, minessage ko si girl, sabi ko, girl, I have the same email sent to me by, yung noreply@nike.com. Tapos, tinanong ko siya kung she clicked the link. Sabi niya sa akin, no, girl, kasi feel nga niya scam. Tapos, sabi ko, buti na lang kasi baka rin ma-hack ang account niya or something. So, another big red flag right there. Doon ko na talaga sabi, this is something na, you know. So, syempre, hindi pa rin ako nagtigil doon. I searched also on Google. Sabi ko, may mga Nike email scams. Pero wala akong nakuha doon. So, ang ginawa ko, pumunta ako ng YouTube. So, when I went to YouTube and I searched Nike email scam, I saw this video of a guy. Ayan, I will show you the thumbnail. Nike email scam, $3,000 for promotion. Latest scam. And then, sabi ko, ooh, baka same yung email na nakuha namin. So, I played the video.
दोस्तों अभी मैं एक ऐसे स्कैम से निकला हूँ.
Yun lang, I couldn't understand what he was saying kasi he was speaking in his language. Pero pinanood ko pa rin yung video just to see baka magpakita siya ng mga screenshots or screen record nung email na sinend sa kanya. So let's fast forward the video and boom! Pause. That is exactly the email that I got from noreply@nike.com via, sa kanya naman, iba naman yung kanyang via sendgrid.net. Sobrang sketchy, diba? Ito na yung nasabi ko na, boom, this is it, it's a scam.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
I couldn't understand what he was saying, pero overall, nung pinanood ko yung whole video niya, parang ang sinasabi niya is, that if you click the link, parang ma-hack yung either yung YouTube account mo or yung email mo or something or your computer. Grabe no, sobrang galing ng mga scammers ngayon, like how they do the emails every pair. Nagkamali sila dun sa grammar. Namali sila dun sa parang via eklabu. So, we have to be really, really careful about the emails that people send you for collaboration, guys. Kasi mahirap na. You work so hard with all your videos and then you post it on your channel tapos bigla lang ma-hack. Ang sakit nun. Buti na lang talaga. I have trust issues. Buti na lang your girl got some trust issues. Kasi kung hindi at na-click ko yung link, oh my gosh, mag-iyak talaga ako, promise. If you guys want to see the video, itong video niya, I will link it up in the cards. So you can see as well. Thank you, Tech Mantra, if you're watching this. Thanks for the help. Wait lang. Let me try pala yung sweet chili sauce ng BTS Meal. I will be opening it. Oh! Dude, this one is my favorite. The sweet chili sauce. Damn, this sauce has some spice. And your girl loves spicy, so winner ito sa akin compare sa Cajun sauce. Pero guys, hindi pa rin nag-give up yung scammer or yung hacker. Kasi, they sent me a second email. I will show you the email. For the future people that they will send this to, you have to see this. This is the second email that they sent me. It's from another email. Ang pangalan na nila is support@nike.com. Ang subject nila is participate in the Nike advertising via sendgrid.net. Same na siya dun sa guy kanina, yung kay Tech Mantra. I'll show you the video again. Ayun, see? Via sendgrid.net. So, same na yung ano niya kung saan galing yung email. Pero iba na yung kanyang email, nakalagay support@nike.com na. Same actually yung template ng kanilang email, parang yung ganun siya, tapos may picture ng sneaker, tapos nakalagay is take part in a new advertising campaign. Hello, this is a commercial offer from Nike. To participate in the advertising campaign, make a mention of our company's products in your new video using the presentation of the new summer collection 2021. We will pay up to $3,000 for your video depending on the number of views on your videos in the last 30 days. Tapos may nakalagay sila dito na presentation of the new collection start now. Tapos may click siya. Don't click it, guys. And then send the finished video to our work email for verification, collab@nike.com. Password for unpacking the archive, Nike promo. Same pa rin yung parang ano nila, parang password. Which is, grabe. Feeling ko nga baka mag-email pa sila ng third para mapaklik ako, pero I will not click it. So there guys, sa mga content creators dyan, mga Instagram models, influencers out there, please be careful sa mga emails na nakukuha nyo for mga collaborations, mga DMs. So do your research first before clicking anything or sending anything or paying anything, kasi marami na talagang scammers out there and hackers who will destroy lahat ng pinaghirapan mo. So there, syempre, nasad ako nung nangalaman ko itong email that was sent to me is a scam. Pero it's okay. I'm still staying positive and hopefully soon in the future, diba? Right? So there, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much Beyond the Hype for my BTS meal. I'm so happy. Sorry, hindi Jollibee, pero at least, diba? Napasaya niyo ako today. And also follow our social, beyondthehype.ph. And guys, please watch out for Beyond the Hype's episode 3. Sobrang solid ng lineup and marami kayong matutunan sa episode na yun. I will link it up in the cards kung sakali it's already posted. So, just click there. And also, if you have any questions about sneakers or streetwear, feel free to comment them down below or message me on my socials @streetbydani on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you think about this video below and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post another video. See you then. Dani out!